Hello. Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel, where we learn everything about databases, programming, and more. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic. What is Oracle pl-sql? If you're ready to enhance your database skills, stick around till the end. pl-sql stands for Procedural Language, Structured Query Language. pl-sql is an extension of SQL that provides procedural capabilities to SQL. It combines the power of SQL with programming constructs like loops, if-else conditions, and error handling. That makes it a very powerful tool to interact with Oracle databases. There are following benefits of using pl-sql. Number 1. Enhanced SQL functionality. SQL language is very good for queries, but it lacks procedural capabilities. pl-sql offers procedural capabilities like loops, conditions, and variables to handle complex logic within the database. Number 2. Performance benefits. If we want to execute 5 SQL queries without using pl-sql, then there will be 5 network call. That can create slowness. With pl-sql, we can write 5 SQL queries inside pl-sql and send an entire block of code to the database, reducing the number of network calls and improving performance. Number 3. Error handling. pl-sql provides error handling features. So, we can handle runtime exceptions and ensure smooth database operations. Number 4. Reusability. We can store pl-sql code in the database as procedures, functions, and packages, making it reusable. There are following building blocks of pl-sql. Number 1. Anonymous blocks. As their name shows, anonymous blocks do not have any name. These are single-use pl-sql blocks that are not stored in the database. They are great for quick tasks. Number 2. Stored procedures and functions. These are stored in the database, used to perform specific operations. These are named blocks stored in database and are reusable. Number 3. Packages. A collection of related stored procedures, functions, variables, and more. These are grouped together for better organization. Normally, procedure and functions for some specific task are stored in one package. Number 4. Triggers. pl-sql code is executed automatically in response to certain events in the database. There are several such events. Some examples can include DML events such as insert, update, delete operations. DDL events create, alter, drop table, etc. Also events such as when users log in or logo FF, etc. pl-sql blocks can contain following 3 sections. Number 1. Declaration section. Variables, cursors, etc. are declared in this section. This is optional section. We do not need it if there are no variables. Number 2. Executable section. This is mandatory section. We cannot write pl-sql block without executable section. Number 3. Exception handling. We include this section in pl-sql to handle exceptions and runtime errors. This is optional section. Oracle does not generate error if we do not include it in pl-sql block. Given below is the general example of pl-sql anonymous block showing all 3 blocks. Now that we've covered the basics of pl-sql blocks, it's time for a practical demo. I'll be using Oracle SQL Developer to show you how to write and execute a pl-sql block step by step. By the end of this session, you'll see exactly how to create, test, and run a simple pl-sql block in action. Let's jump into it. We have written very simple and short pl-sql script below. The set server output on command is used in Oracle SQL Plus or SQL Developer to enable the display of output messages from pl-sql blocks. When you use dbms_output.put_line to print messages in a pl-sql block, this command ensures those messages are displayed in the console or output window. By default, Oracle does not display output from dbms_output.put_line because the server does not automatically send the output to the client. Using command set server output on tells Oracle to send the output to the client so you can see it in your SQL Plus or SQL Developer. pl-sql executable block always starts with keyword begin. dbms_output.put_line is a built-in procedure in Oracle pl-sql used to print messages to the console or output window. It's commonly used for debugging or displaying information during the execution of pl-sql code. This line prints a message on screen. Hello. My name is Hamza Oisin. pl-sql executable block always ends with keyword end. So, when we click on Run Statement button, this pl-sql script will print a message on screen. Hello. My name is Hamza Oisin. Let's try another pl-sql block that is little more complex. In first line, declare keyword starts the declaration section. This will declare variable v_variable_1 that will store data of some numbers. Declare variable v_variable_2 that will store some text data like some names. This line will start executable section. Variable v_variable_1 is assigned value of 1. Variable v_variable_2 is assigned value of Hamza Oisin. dbms_output.put_line will print value of variable v_variable_1. In this case, it will display 1. dbms_output.put_line will print value of variable v_variable_2. In this case, it will display Hamza Oisin. This section is to handle exceptions and runtime errors. In case of any error, it will display. There is some runtime error. I hope this video gave you a clear idea of what Oracle pl-sql is and why it's so powerful. In upcoming videos, I'll dive deeper into each building block, show you how to write pl-sql code, and demonstrate practical examples. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more database tutorials.